Torch off, torch on. Okay. I'm at the lake right now. They got this minnows and worms bait vending machine, or just tackle in general. Got some. It's not gonna focus on it.
Is your lights on?
Oh, it's just blurry. It's just reflecting back. Floats there. Spin bobs. Got some hooks. Trigger. What? What the hell?
What is it?
Rigged twirl tails. Some worms.
I don't know if those minnows are alive or not.
Bait. Some worms. Minnows down here. It is refrigerated. It is pretty cold inside there, so let's see if these are. Oh, it takes a card. Look at. No, I can show you your information.
No, I had to turn around.
Okay. Let's see what happens.
Oh, 45. What was 45?
No, you got worms. Cancel it.
How? Oh.
It's doing it. Oh, it got stuck.
Oh, no way.
Wiggle it, wiggle it.
No way.
Come on.
Wow. I'm gonna leave it back for you on paper.
Oh, I got it, I got it.
Let me get the right ones. Wait, that was 475.
That was illegal. You're not supposed to do that to the machines because you can break them.
63.
Okay.
Look at these ones.
Oh. Didn't break the top?
They are alive.
They are alive? Where'd the worms go? There's the worms.
Look, they're alive.
So they're fresh.
Wow.
Oh, my stupid phone. There it goes. Oh,
That is super cool.
they're still alive.
How
So
do
they gotta
they-
be fresh. They're probably putting it in here
How do they,
over
Wow.
oxygen.
they put something in there?
Probably.
Cool, we can use these tonight. I'm gonna use them tonight.
All right.
Oh, stupid worm.
Well, anyways, we'll just use them later on. Well, that's what it is. 24 hours bait and tackle center
Super cool.
vending machine.